Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler roof. First, identify if you have a soft top or a hard top, as the process differs significantly. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. We will begin by detailing the steps for soft top removal, which typically involves unlatching and folding. This guide will help you enjoy the open-air experience quickly and safely. For soft top Wranglers, begin by unlatching the two header latches located above the windshield. Next, release the rear retention clips and carefully detach the side bows from their mounts. Gently fold the soft top back towards the rear of the vehicle, ensuring it collapses neatly. Secure the folded top with the provided straps to prevent it from flapping while driving. This process usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. If you have a hard top, you can easily remove the two front freedom panels for a quick open-air feel. Inside the cabin, locate and unlatch the quick-release levers on each panel. With the latches released, carefully lift and remove each panel. These panels are lightweight, typically weighing around 10 pounds each. Store them in a safe, designated area, perhaps in a soft storage bag, to prevent damage. For full hard top removal, you will need a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet. Begin by removing all 8 to 10 Torx bolts, securing the hard top to the body. Disconnect the washer fluid hose and the electrical harness, usually found on the driver's side. This top can weigh over 100 pounds, so enlist the help of at least one other person or use a specialized hoist system to safely lift it off your Jeep. Always store it securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.